But I can't stop running because you're my brother. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dreams just because somebody in your life is chasing with you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life will believe in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're going to have to do it all by yourself. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Morning. Good morning and welcome to the final, wow, I can't believe I'm saying this, the final weekly Spellathon. I think we've been going for 17, 18 weeks now. So if you've been here for every week, then you're going to be really good at spellings by now. So well done to you. And if you're only just joining in now, that's fine too, because all of the Spellathons are available on YouTube. So you can go back and do all of them if you wanted to. And all of the spelling lists are still available on the English Live Resources Facebook group. But you don't need to necessarily see the lists beforehand. You can just get a pen and paper out, pop on the YouTube and give it a go. Right, so before we get going today, let's have a few shout outs. Excuse me. So a big hello, a big thank you from Grandad Rob, Granny Caroline, Ruben, Mum Sophie, and Barney. They all say thank you. Well, absolutely my pleasure. This has been the most fun ever. Hello to the Alexes. Oh no, Alex who is 9 in Kingstone. Hello to Amelia and Joni in York. Hello, ladies. Hello to Hayden and Sapphire. Hello to Tilly in Liverpool. Glad you're tuning in today, Tilly. I expect another 60 out of 60 for you. Hello to Mish, who loves doing the spellings. Well, Mish, that's fab. Well done. Good. I'm glad you do. Hello to Cohen. A big shout out to Advit, who is 11 in Aylesbury. And it says, have a great day from Lucy and Ollie. Well, thank you very much, Lucy and Ollie. I'm going to have a great day. I'm teaching courses all afternoon, so I'm doing what I love most. Hello to Santavi, who is 7. Hello to Amelia Knight, who is 8. Hi, Amelia. I'm glad you've tuned in. Hello to Arthur, Mabel, Alfie, and Super Mum Moira. in Stroud, who have done every Spellathon. Well done, fantastic. Hello to Drithy, who is 6. Pram says, have a good summer and thank you. Well, thank you very much, Pram. You also have a lovely summer too. Hello to Archie, who is 8 in Watford. Imogen, who is 11. Hello to Erin and Ryan, and who say thank you for being a great teacher. Well, it's my pleasure. Hello to Edward, who is 9, and Mum Tanya, who love my work. Well, that's great. I love all of your work as well, especially when I get to see it on the English Live Resources group. Hello to Tabitha in Guildford. Hi from Ellie, Max, Avery, and Hannah. Good luck to Grandma Smith in Bridgewater. Good luck, Grandma Smith. You've got a really tricky spellathon today. Hello to Freya in Stockton Heath. Hi, Freya. And hello to the Sanders family in Cambridgeshire, who are gathered in front of their dad's computer. So hello to all of you. I hope you're excited about doing the spellathon. Right, so I think we should probably get started. So pens at the ready. We'll go with Key Stage 1 first, as we always do. Once I finish the spellings, I'll pop the list up on the board so you can mark your own work, or you can just have a little dance to the music. That's up to you. So, number 1, mine. Mine. Number 2, fine. Fine. Number 3, line. Line. Number 4, lean. Lean. Number 5, mean. Mean. Number 6, flower. Flower. Number 7, power. Power. Number 8, jump. Jump. Number 9, this word describes Dirty Bertie. This word describes Bertie, my dog. Lump. Lump. Those of you asking about the homophone flower, I'm talking about like a plant flower and not flour that is used to bake. If you do use a different word as a homophone in the spelling test, if you spell it correctly, you can still give yourself a mark, even if it's a different word from the one that I have on the list. Number 10, crumb. Crumb. Talking of baking, crumb. Number 11, tummy. Tummy. Number 12, funny. Funny. Number 13, honey. Honey. Number 14, the penultimate word. Lovely. Lovely. And finally, word 15 in the Key Stage 1 spellings is writing. Writing. Okay, well done everybody who had a go. I can see lots of great spellings coming through in the live chat, so well done if that's you. If you are testing yourself, don't check what everybody else has put in the live chat. Make sure you're just focusing on getting the spellings right on paper yourself. Now I'm going to put the spellings up on the board, but I do apologise because this morning, the very last morning of a live Spellathon, my ink decided that time was up. So it hasn't printed brilliantly, but hopefully you'll still be able to see the spellings, be able to mark your own work. And if you can't see them, you can always find the spelling list on the Facebook page. And if you are watching on catch up, of course, you can pause the screen and have a closer look. If you're watching live though, it's live, so you'll just have to go really fast. Okay. Play. There we go. Well done to those of you that got 14 or 15 out of 15. Hi to Violet and your mum. You're on holiday in the Lake District and you're still doing the Spellathon. That's awesome. Great. Pause. So well done to all of you that, as I always say every week, some people are great at spellings, some people it takes a lot more practice. So even just showing up to do a spelling test is fantastic. So you all deserve a pat on the back for that at the very least. And a special well done to anybody that got more than they expected to. Okay, that's fab. And if you didn't, don't worry, it's just an opportunity for you to practice them and learn and do better next time when you go over the old ones, or if you do my ultimate Spellathon next month. So let's have a few shout outs because they're coming through thick and fast today. So hello to, where did we get up to? Tilly in Walton-on-Thames, who's really going to miss me. Oh, I'm really going to miss the Spellathons too, Tilly. Hello to Robbie and Stephen in Tanzania, who are competing against Grandma Kath in Manchester. High scores equal a chocolate brownie. Send some of that chocolate brownie my way, please. Hello to Erin and Ryan in Fareham. Hello to Chloe in Essex. Ellie loves my hair. Well, thank you very much, Ellie. I've gone for a bit of pink. Hello to Moyen and Kayla and Annalise and Harry and Ali Collins. Hello to all of you. Shout out to Juno and Robbie, who is competing with Grandma. So big shout out to you. And a special shout out to my dad, Ray, and my sister, Harriet, and all of my family that have just surprised me and said they're tuning in to watch this today. So no pressure, Holly. Make sure it's a good Spellathon. Right, before I get on with the Key Stage 2 Spellathon spelling list, Just a little reminder for those of you that are interested in courses and workshops, over the next few weeks, I've got the language of Romeo and Juliet, which is suitable for 9 or 10-year-olds up to 13-year-olds. And also, there are a few places left on the Creative Writing Booster course and Writing Persuasive Letters workshop and Fun with Words, which is for age 6 to 10. That's a workshop that's coming up in a couple of weeks too. So if you're interested in any of those, you can find out the information on my Facebook page. Right, pens at the ready for Key Stage 2. Here we go. Number 1, properly. Properly. Number 2, probably. Probably. And you wouldn't want to mix the two up. Number 3, heroic. Heroic. Number 4, fragrance. Fragrance. Number 5, perfume. Perfume. Number 6, pathway. Pathway. Number 7, dishwasher. Dishwasher. Number 8, my favourite game, Scrabble. Scrabble. Happy birthday to Melissa's little sister who turned 6 yesterday. I hope you had a lovely day. Moving on to number 9, organiser. Organiser. Number 10, magazine. Magazine. Number 11, my lucky number, wizardry. Wizardry. Number 12, turquoise. Turquoise. Number 13, magenta. Magenta. Number 14, cosmic. Cosmic. And finally, number 15, so the very last word for the Key Stage 2 spellings is butterfly, butterfly. So I hope you did well in those Key Stage 2 spellings. I'm going to pop them up on the board. These ones, the printing is slightly worse than Key Stage 1, so I do apologise. Hopefully it's sufficient for you to see the spellings. Play. There we go. Good luck.
You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just gotta run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, run. I can't stop running because you're not running. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life is chasing it. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life is believing in you. You can't stop chasing the dreams of your life just because when you know when you do it, you're gonna have to do it all by yourself.
Well done, Scarlett, 30 out of 30. Pause. Okay, fab. Well done, everybody. We're going to move on to the Key Stage 3 spellings now. These ones are really tricky. So parents, you're probably thinking, oh my goodness, I'm going to get caught out now. Okay, so a few more shout outs for you before we get on to the Key Stage 3 spellings. Hello to Ella and Daisy in Liverpool. Hello to Robbie, who is competing with Grandma. Hello to Katie, big shout out to you, Katie. Hello to Hannah, who says she's going to miss me and I'm the best. Thank you, Hannah. That's really nice. But you won't need to miss me too much. There's chapter and verse every Monday night. It's live at 6:30, but you can watch episodes whenever you like. And shout out to Ada and shout out to not my family, this person's family. Shout out to my family, Barney, Gareth, Susan, Blaneth, William, Candice, Lucy, and Daniel the pug. What a lovely collection of family names. Big shout out to all of you. So, pens at the ready. Let's do these really challenging Key Stage 3 spellings. Number 1. Peak. Peak. Number 2. Management. Management. Number 3. Persuasive. Persuasive. Number 4. Intermittent. Intermittent. Number 5. Professional. Professional. Number 6. Exquisite. Exquisite. Number 7, carnivorous. Carnivorous. Lots of you are saying that these ones are really hard. Great, well then that's a challenge, isn't it? Can't have you all getting 60 out of 60 every week. Number 8, socialite. Socialite. Nine, communal. Communal. Number 10, confirmation. Confirmation. Number 11, conspiracy. Conspiracy. Number 12, mechanical. Mechanical. Number 13, continental. Continental. Number 14, admiration. Admiration. And finally, number 15, so the last word in the Key Stage 3 spellings is fiscal. Fiscal. Now, if you don't know what these words mean, it's a great opportunity to extend your vocabulary. So whip out your dictionary, or if you use devices like an iPad or smartphone of some description, you can just type in any of these words followed by the word meaning, and you will get a definition, synonyms, antonyms, examples of usage in sentences. So it's a great thing that you could do after the Spellathon today. Right, let's get these spellings on the board and see how you did. Play. So shout out to your mum Hannah, your brother Sam, and your dad Neil. Amelia thinks you're the best family ever. Pause. Okay, right. Well done, everybody. I can see someone who's got 42 out of 45. That's an outstanding score. Well done. But like I said earlier on in the Spellathon, if you aimed to get 5 out of 15 and you only got 2, that's fine. It just means that you've got room to practice and you will reach your goals if you work hard for them. So time for Key Stage 4. These are the really tricky ones, and these are the ones that I hope the parents are doing to show their children that they can have a go at the spellings too. So if your adult is nearby but they haven't participated in the Spellathon before, or if they're slowly tiptoeing away to the kitchen, grab them, give them a pen and paper and ask them to do these Key Stage 4 spellings. So before we do them, let's have the last few shout outs. Hello to Melissa, who was 6 yesterday. I think I've already said happy birthday to you. Happy 7th birthday to Janvi. Well done for 30 out of 30 in the Hain household, and a big shout out to Joe. And before I forget, an absolutely huge shout out to the wonderful Mummy English, who is here and present for every Spellathon, every live lesson, helping me get through all of the live shout outs. So an extra big shout out and thank you to Mummy English. Right, pens at the ready, Key Stage 4 spellings, here we go. Number 1, incremental. Incremental. Number 2, esophagus. Esophagus. Number 3, ferruginous. Ferruginous. Number 4, gastronomical. Gastronomical. Number 5, ministerial. Ministerial. I can almost hear the parents quaking in their boots at these spellings. Number 6, obnoxiousness. Obnoxiousness. Number 7, parallelogram. Parallelogram. Number 8, rhombohedron. Rhombohedron. Number 9, schizophrenia. Schizophrenia. Number 10, Taoism, Taoism. Good luck to Flossie, who's in year 5, who's trying really hard today. 11. Genealogy, genealogy. "12. Hedonistic, hedonistic. Number 13. Vulnerability, vulnerability. Number 14. Ascendancy, ascendancy. That was the penultimate word of the entire weekly Spellathon series. So the final word is encephalogram, encephalogram. Okay, let's get these on the boards. Well done for making it to the end. Play. No, not today. Play. Okay, good luck everyone. Let's see how you did.
You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their approval. You can't wait on their support. Sometimes you just gotta run and look behind you and say, everybody who wants to run, but I can't stop running because you're my leader. Listen to me, hear me. You can't stop chasing your dream just because somebody in your life is chasing you. You can't stop believing in yourself just because somebody in your life is believing.
That's it. You're going to say goodbye to all your friends.
Just because you know when you do it, you're gonna have to do it all by yourself.
Well, we are at the end. I'm just going to bring Bertie round again to say another quick hello and goodbye. Oh. So, your wonky eyes, Bertie. Thank you to everybody who joined me for one or all of the many lessons that I did for you all during lockdown, all of the spelling tests, the author lessons, creative writing, grammar. It's been wonderful. It's been a fabulous experience. And myself and Bertie, we've both absolutely loved it. You have all been amazing. I've been completely blown away by your hard work. So you deserve, I'm out of breath from lifting that heavy dog up. You deserve to give yourselves a really big pat on the back for that. Okay, so this is not the end. There's loads more coming up. Stay with me. There's some more live lessons coming up in August, hopefully. And of course, all of the courses and workshops. So thank you. Have a lovely weekend. Well done for all your work. You're all awesome. Keep going. Love English. And I will see you very soon.